Here we come to the elevators. This is a retake of the Gould Simpson Building, and guess who I'm with? Jade. Jade. We're gonna start out by going down. I do not know the name of these fixtures off the top of my head, but these elevators, I believe these are Adam's EPCO fixtures, so I think we're gonna get the right car this time. This one was broken last time I was here. That's the annunciator panel. Yep, this was all modernized. They're not original anymore, sadly. And then, should be here. The bell doesn't work, sadly. There it is. And this one talks, too.
Is there anything else in the first?
Get our cab view. You can feel the piston effect from the other car. This is my first time on the right car, and one is already pressed, so the door closes. Yep, and this used to be a Dover. Capacity 3,500 pounds. And this has the voice here. I believe it's from here. Alright, we're gonna go.
Floor.
Alright, let's go up to 10. And the door close button works. We'll watch the numbers going up. Accelerated floor indicator. There I am. Hi! I like the mirrors on these things. Here we are at 10. These are still cool despite being modernized. And here we are on 10. This has the accelerated floor indicator. No classic leveling.
10th floor.
We didn't hear going down, but we'll just go down to 1 and we'll end it on 2. There's Jade. See the floors going by. Yeah, no, we're not stopping. I don't think we're stopping. But here we go down to 1. ADA compliant phone built in the car station. And then we'll end it on 2. And I wonder if we'll hear going up since I've already pushed the floor button.
First floor, going up.
There we go. Door close button works. Capacity 3,500 pounds. The other car is very much the same, so we won't ride it. But you're leveling. Seems like I don't think it's going anywhere. So anyways, here it goes. And you want to say bye?
Bye.
That's it.